you've logged in. You're gonna be at the creator here. Let's find some faces. All right, I've got some classic ones. Let's start with the most easiest, and we'll work our way up. So Billy Ray Cyrus here. You can select him, bring down the mouth. Let's just grab that bottom jaw. We want to just grab it from the bottom lip down. Notice you don't want to get that top lip, otherwise it starts looking weird. This big green dot is where the mouth travels to. So let's test this out. Hi, I'm Billy Ray. Looks pretty good. It's pretty good. There's an even easier way to do it with real people though. So let's go back. Let's remove that selected mouth. This is a new feature that we added just kind of recently. Magic AI mouths. You click this, and on real people, well, as in like pictures of an actual person versus like drawings. It doesn't work well on drawings. It'll make the mouth for you. It does as best as it can. Sometimes it doesn't get it exact. Like notice how this one didn't get like the right down the middle of the lip right there, but that's pretty solid. Test that out. Achy breaky. This looks pretty good. It's pretty solid. But this is a pretty easy face. Most people should be able to blabberize a real face like this pretty easily. But let's do a harder one. Let's go for an alpaca. I got one right here, ready to go. All right, let's put down a new mouth. So this is the default mouth selection tool that you're always going to get. For a face like this, you're going to have to mold it to what the bottom jaw would be for this. And of course, it may not be as defined for an animal, but you can use your sensibilities to kind of find it. All right, and I like taking this little green dot to where the mouth moves to and put it a little bit off because it's always funny when they talk a little bit off to the side. All right, let's see how this shape does. Ah, it's me. I'm a talking alpaca. Looks amazing. It's perfect. This is as good as it gets. All right. Let's make another example. Let's go back and try a historical figure. This guy is Juan de Leon, I think. We had a teacher who was trying to use this character and was having trouble selecting the mouths. This one's a little difficult because he's got that little split in his beard. I don't know why he would do that in real life, but that's just how he's got it going. So we got to deal with it. Now, you don't always have to select the full bottom jaw. If you just select basically an area that's spaced right underneath the jaw, that's kind of like where you're going to get this movement. Moving these control points takes a little bit of skill, but if you just bring them to where you want, so notice how I'm trying to get this to the edge of his mouth. I'm trying to get that curve in there. Pull that one over. This one here is pretty good at the bottom. See if we can pull this one in. This one's a little difficult because it's a bit smaller. We recently made these circles slightly more transparent, so it becomes a little easier to select stuff. That should do. Yeah, that should do just fine. All right, let's try this one out. See, I put that green dot a little far away, so this is gonna be a little crazy. Hey, test. Too far. Doesn't look right. All right, we're gonna go back. We're gonna fix that up. Let's put that there. Let's put that there. Let's grab a little bit more of that bottom jaw. Let's spread these dots out a little bit more. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Pull that one in. Green dot. This should be right there. Hey! Oh, look at that. Look at me. You can see my mouth moving, so you now believe I discovered Florida. Party capital of the US of A, everyone. So there you go. There's some examples of how to select your mouth on your blabbers. I hope you enjoy. And look for more tips from Mo at Blabberizing late at night or whenever I choose to. This is going to happen all the time, I think.